Hello, hi viewers, how are you all? This is Madhusudan Reddy Kundreddy. Welcome back to my channel Mad Hearty. So after a long gap, again I have come up with one more important topic. So today we are going to talk about cultivation aspects of cauliflower and its taxonomy. So we will see about taxonomy. So botanically, cauliflower is called as Brassica oleracea variety botrytis, and it belongs to family Brassicaceae, and the reports said to be cauliflower is originated in Cyprus. So after it is originated in Cyprus and it became established in throughout the Mediterranean region, particularly in Italy. So Italy is the country where the scientific cultivation of cauliflower has been started in 18th century. Cauliflower has been introduced into India in the 19th century by Dr. Jensen from London. And the diploid chromosome number of cauliflower is 2n equal to 2x equal to 18. And coming to its area and production details, so India is the second largest producer of cauliflower in the world. In India, West Bengal is the largest producer of cauliflower, followed by Madhya Pradesh. In cauliflower, we will see four types of varieties. So early varieties, mid-early, mid-late, and late varieties. In this video, so I am going to discuss about in which season we have to go for early varieties, mid-early varieties, and mid-late varieties, along with and late varieties, and what is the seed rate for these four types of varieties, and what is the temperature required for the growth and development of these four types of varieties.
Cauliflower is a temperate and most popular vegetable among cole crops, and the probable ancestor of cauliflower is Brassica cretica. And the genetic constitution of cauliflower is AA, BB, CC, D, E, F. So the basic chromosome number X equal to 6. And Indian cauliflowers are dwarf selections of erfurt or snowball types. So these snowball types are susceptible to black rot disease. And one more thing is Indian cauliflowers are having strong sporophytic self incompatibility compared to European types. Next, coming to its soil and climate. So cauliflower is a thermosensitive crop, and the optimum temperature required for growth and development of young plants is 23 degrees centigrade, and later stages it may vary from 17 to 20 degrees centigrade. And one more important thing is cauliflower is very sensitive to high acidic conditions, because soil acidity leads to the molybdenum deficiency. If molybdenum deficiency occurs in the field means, so we will see the whiptail disorder in cauliflower crop, so that it is highly sensitive to soil acidity. Next we will talk about maturity groups of cauliflower. So I already told you that Indian cauliflowers are categorized into four maturity groups. First one is early, second one is mid-early, third one is mid-late, and fourth one is late. So early varieties require higher temperature compared to the late varieties. So for the cultivation of early varieties, the optimum temperature required is 20 to 27 degrees centigrade, and for the cultivation of mid-early varieties, the temperature required is 16 to 20 degrees centigrade, and mid-late varieties grown very well in the temperature range of 12 to 16 degrees centigrade, and the late varieties will grow well at the temperature of 10 to 16 degrees centigrade. And one more thing is seed rate of early varieties is more compared to late varieties. And Indian cauliflowers are annual type, and Indian cauliflowers are tolerant to heat also, and the duration of the crop is early, and it is having short zonal phase, and the curd color is yellow in color. So Indian cauliflowers doesn't need vernalization, but it needs cold treatment at 13 degrees to 14 degrees centigrade for 6 weeks. Here we are seeing this is the black rot of cauliflower. So Indian cauliflowers are susceptible to black rot disease. So we will talk about seed rate and spacing.
डालो डालो कोई दिक्कत नहीं डाल.
So here we are seeing this is the seed of cauliflower. So seed is black in color and botanically fruit of cauliflower is siliqua. So per one fruit we will get 10 to 30 seeds and the seed yield is 400 kg per hectare. So here we can clearly observe the seed, so which is in black color. Next coming to its nursery, and we can sow the seed on nursery bed or in protress. If you will go for nursery bed, make a lines on the nursery bed with the spacing of 7 to 8 centimeters and sow the seed thinly in a row. Seed rate for early varieties are 500 to 600 grams per hectare and seed rate for mid and late varieties are 300 to 400 grams per hectare. And the seedlings are ready for transplanting in 4 to 6 weeks depending upon weather conditions. Anyway, 5 to 6 weeks old seedlings stands better chance of establishment in the field. And the recommended spacing for cauliflower in the field is 60 into 45 centimeters, means row to row distance is 60 and plant to plant is 45 centimeters. Next we will talk about cudding. So cauliflower is the only crop among all cole crops in which the intermediate stage of cudding is lies between vegetative and reproductive stage. And I already told you that so blanching is not required for late types or snowball types. Here the leaf itself act as a blanching material, means the leaves protect the curd from direct exposure to sunlight. Here we can see the color of the curd is creamy white or light yellow in color. Next coming to inflorescence and floral biology. So the inflorescence of cauliflower is cymose, particularly compound corymb, and the flowers being slightly protogynous, and the androecium of cauliflower is tetradynamous, which means there are 2 short and 4 long stamens. Next we will talk about scooping. So it is the important horticultural practice followed in cauliflower. So what is scooping? So scooping means, so for easy initiation of flower stalk, so we will remove the central portion of the curd. So this is called scooping. So it is mainly followed in Darjeeling Hills of West Bengal. And cauliflower is cross-pollinated crop due to the presence of sporophytic self-incompatibility and protogeny. Next coming to yield, early varieties will give 12 to 15 tons per hectare and mid-early varieties will give 14 to 23 tons per hectare. So from mid-late and late varieties we will get 20 to 30 tons per hectare.
This is all about taxonomy and cultivation aspects of cauliflower. So if you like my video, do like, do share, and if you have any doubts regarding cultivation aspects of cauliflower, you can share your questions in the comment section. So in the next video I'll come up with the one more important and interesting topic. Until then, take care. Bye bye.